Okay, let's talk about programming your date code. Now that we've got some information here, we can go ahead and start with our expiration date. So I'll go ahead and click the clock logo here, and it just kind of puts a default manufacturing date set to today's date that the printer is set to. So again, just like in creating a text, the general tab is virtually the same, picking your font, the size of your font, and the location. We'll go ahead and go to advanced though to set the date. So you'll see right here that I have a couple options that it gives me. In the manual, there's a chart with more formatting options for you, but I can just go ahead and format this how I want. So I want to go ahead and clear this, and you'll see it clears out here. If I type one of these or select one of these options, so DD for day, month, and let's go ahead and back that up a little so I can show you. And you can also type this in with the keyboard here. So, and I'll show you that in a moment. Let's put a option there, put our month and our year. Great, so that's how you're going to do your basic expiration or manufacturing date. And just like before, you can move this around the same way and position this right in here if you'd like. Now, to create an expiration date, you're simply going to use this valid days box here. So if I wanted my product to expire 30 days from the manufacture date, I can go here, I'll enter 30, and as you see, my month here has changed, as well as my day. So that is basically how you create your expiration dates.